What? Why I love this car, because this car is awesome and they're still affordable. We were just looking at 240s and wow, you get some shit boxes for a lot of money. $2,500. See the SC world, the price just going down. More affordable, more affordable, more affordable. Bam! Look at that thing, dude. Big old turbo on this thing. Probably rocks, dude. Are gonna have a lot of miles on them because they're a Toyota with either a 2J or a 1UZ, and you know those engines are good. Regular seats, so my passengers can be comfortable, but I'm ready to party, dude. What's up? You know I love this car, dude. We got one. So we got a 97 SC400, $5,000, and that's why I love this car, because this car is awesome and they're still affordable. Are gonna have a lot of miles on them because they're a Toyota with either a 2J or a 1UZ, and you know those engines are good. Selling our trade, looking for an LS400. I'm not surprised. Not running, $5,000. Dude, I gotta take all this back right off the bat. We're gonna start with this. Was told it was an ECM, got a new one, still didn't work. Yeah, all right, there he goes. Good looking car. Wheels are, you know, I love those wheels. I have at least 2 sets of them. Something stupid going on with it. It's a really good looking car. We were just looking at 240s and wow, you get some shit boxes for a lot of money. 300 ZXs, SCs, 400 or 300, much better deal. Look how clean this car is. It was running. Let's watch this video. Damn, dude. If you don't know, the SC400s with the 1UZ engine is amazing. The 1UZ is like, bro, I love that engine. All right, $5,000 doesn't run. Could be something stupid. Unplug one of the cam position sensors and see if it runs. I like have that weird problem on mine. I have to finish addressing it. Oh, a little much for a non-running SC, I think, but it is a really good looking non-running SC. No interior pictures, boo. All right, we got an SC300. This is $4,000. Car runs and drives. What? How are we? That other guy is way too much money for a non-running car. The only problem is that the new computer, dude, really? And AC, that's a great car. Why does it need a new computer but it runs and drives? What are you talking about, new computer? Let's see what this is saying. Watch this video. So straight piped? Is that the exhaust shop? Should have got your new computer than fucking around with this. And that's really what you showed us on the video. God damn, dude. $4,000 in the 240 world is you get something that needs to go to the scrapyard. Look at those OEM wheels too. Damn, this car looks good, dude. Yeah, it's got the gray interior, not the stupid brown interior like I have. That tan interior is not great. Seats look good. I mean, that even looks better than mine, dude. It did pay $1,600 for my SC400 though. And it was running and driving. I drove it back from Orlando. $4,000, it needs a new computer for some reason. I'd like to know why they think that. Shit, it's got no miles on it. 110,000 original miles. Wow, dude. $2,500. See the SC world, the price just going down. More affordable, more affordable, more affordable. $2,500. Please tell me this thing runs and drives. It's an SC400. $2,500 is like, that's what I'm talking about. 300,000 miles. That's what I'm talking about. Runs and drives. Interior needs work. Not even surprised. The interior in these cars are like get trashed so fast. Needs valve cover, power steering, leaks. Okay, for $2,500. Needs some bulbs in the and the speedometer. Yeah, absolutely. Gauge cluster needs bulbs. Has brand new alternator and battery. Perfect, dude. The $2,500. The running and driving needs a little bit of maintenance, and needs paint, and needs some new seats, but that's fine. Like you can get aftermarket seats. Not even that much money to put in this. Oh, that back seat's rough. You can probably get a back seat for no money. $2,500, I'm into this car. Where is this at? In Alabama. Somebody go get this. $2,500. This is a 99. It has a front bumper. It has the wrong front bumper for a 99 though. So this is VVTi. No under the hood pictures. Whatever. $2,500. Needs a little bit of maintenance. A 94, here we go, going back up, 94, the SC300, 14 grand over in Kissimmee, Florida, 150,000 miles, which is nothing for this car. Looks good already, dude. It's got like a newer bumper on it. That's like off a 96 or so. Side skirts, nice, I'm jealous. What? SC300 be a drift car? Don't make this a drift car. It's way too nice. Go with that $2,500 one and do that. W58 transmission for $14,000, dude. I've been looking at way too many 240s lately because for 14 grand on a 240, it's probably not gonna be running, dude. It's got a lot of stuff. We're just going to go off the fact that it's a good looking car, man. Taken care of. Kind of looks cool with the one regular seat, so my passengers can be comfortable, but I'm ready to party, dude. All right, we got a video. Let's play the video. This SC300. Hopefully it's not a terrible video.
All right, so.
What a... Jesus, dude.
I have a WD on radios.
Snap, snap, snap. Turbocharged. Nice. Alright, so this says it's got another 1JZ swapped SC300, which is awesome. Where's everybody finding these 1JZ? Like, they're super expensive. This one's over in Georgia. 170,000 miles. It's got a floppy climate control. We saw that in the video. Midnight purple. What? Wheels are an interesting choice. Not my choice, but this is a good looking car. This is $12,000 is how much he wants for it. It is a 5-speed 1UZ. Like, okay, fine. We're just gonna have to put a double-din stereo. Of course, the door panels are jacked up. That passenger side one is way easier to find than the driver's side. That's easy. Bam! Look at that thing, dude. Big old turbo on this thing. Probably rocks, dude. $12,000. This is what you're getting. Not even bad, dude. It had something else. Look, there's another spot for intercooler piping. Something else was in there, turbocharged, and they switched it up. All right, there you go. This one's 12 grand. I really like this car. How much was this one? 14. This one might be a little bit better. It's probably worth the $2,000 to investment. I mean, probably just offer this guy 12 grand and get this one. That's a project car with a lot of value there. You got to do some maintenance. If you can turn a wrench and you have the time and the space, because that's, I mean, you can buy the car and have the want to do it, but you really need the time and the space to do it. And $4,000. So we got two non-running ones. These two don't run. This car is beautiful. This car's, the value's there and I'm into the value, so I always would pick this one. But I think this is the choice. Very complete. There's where that intercooler piping is on that other car. Looks complete. Interior looks good. Exterior looks good. This is my choice for today. It's 94 SC300 with a 1JZ in it for 14 grand. If I'm on a budget, you know I'm balling and I'm picking this one for 2,500 bucks. Let's get it for 16 and make it a double. All right, guys. Thanks for shopping SCs for me. I love this car. Really, one of the good things about this car is that it's an amazing platform. It's an amazing car. I have one. I drive it more than any of my other cars. I drive it more than my 300ZX, drive it more than my 240SX, and it's really nice for how old it is. It feels good. It doesn't feel like an old car, and I have 325,000 miles on my clock, and they're really affordable. They're really affordable. I mean, unfortunately, this one isn't, something's wrong with it, but it's 5 grand. This one's 4 grand. This one's 2,500 bucks. I mean, right there we can find 3 really affordable ones. If you really want to ball out and get a top of the line one, like a high end one, $14,000 SC300 ready to party, dudes. These cars are probably one of the most value bang for your buck cars from the 90s. Thanks for shopping with me. I have one of these. It is a project car in the garage. We work on it periodically. I have a few project cars, so I invite you to join me on the channel and join me on my journey in my SC400. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.